plop it on. I'm gonna see if we can get this HD lace looking like butter.
Chocolate butter.
What work you gotta do? Did you find them? Y'all, it's almost like I'm not even working. A lot less mess, and y'all, I don't do mess, so you might want to get your hands on this. This is giving me real vacation ignorance. Yeah, I like this. These are the Nuck If You Buck lashes, okay? If that lace is right, heaven, you already know. You mean to tell me this whole time it's the right angle for the camera?
Navigating through these highways and byways of life.
Let me pull it up. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with the slay.
Let the church say subscribe.
I hope everybody is doing well, y'all. I really, really do.
Navigating through these highways and byways of life.
Yes, my face is beat. It just is what it is. But I got a slay for y'all today, and ooh, y'all, I be hitting my knee. I think I'm sitting too close to this thing, but it's the right angle for the camera. It's the right angle for the camera. Y'all, so yeah, I got a slay today. Hopefully it's gonna be really cute. I tried to do a really cute face, y'all. I have really been practicing on this makeup. But y'all, listen, let me tell you something. It's really got a lot to do with the product. You can get by on certain products and make it look like, you know, oh, that's cute. But honey, y'all know I went shopping for the first time at Sephora not too long ago and got some other things that's a little bit higher end, and I was like, you mean to tell me this whole time I feel like my skill level jumped up 3 notches and I've literally done nothing different, just used different products. I'm not here to talk about that though. So we're gonna get into this good old slay today. But you know, first I have to show love to my subscriber of the day. Bye. Y'all ain't ready. So today I'm bringing you a slay from Nadula, and hold on, let me just pull it up. Let me 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 pull it up. Pull it up. Which one is this, child? I'm trying to figure out which one it is because oh, we doing a HD lace wig today. HD or high definition. The lace is just supposed to be very seamless. It's just supposed to look really close to skin, and I've been impressed before by some lace, so hopefully this will give me that vibe of some good old skin milk HD lace. I want it to look like chocolate upon chocolate.
Okay.
I want it to look like the double chocolate bar of the universe. Okay.
I want it to look like a double chocolate chip fudge brownie on my forehead. Bam, right across my domology. That's how I want it to look.
Let me see. Long as we got King Jesus, because see if that lace is right, heaven, you already know. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna show you everything. We're gonna see if we can slay it out at the end and see what kind of results we get. And as always, I'll put all the products that I use in the description box. Bam. Here's the package sauce. Sauce, that's very nice. Be confident, be bold, be you. Nadula. Nadula, I'm Lagata. Every time I want to say that, I can't help it. I was like, don't say it today, and I said it. What's up up in this box? What's up up in this box? In this box, bam. It's nicely packaged. So let's put the wig to the side and enjoy the ride. Okay, you already know what this is. Don't flop your wig at the end of the day when you take it off. After getting off your shift, don't you flop that wig. Put that wig off up in this wig bag, okay? Here, we've got the wig cap.
Wig cap, wig cap.
Oh, they sent me 3 wig caps. You think it's a game?
It's not.
Oh, they sent me a wig grip too, y'all. Now, y'all know I have a wig grip that I absolutely love. Well, maybe I'll try this one out. I may try that wig grip out today. This is nice. It feels really nice. It's kind of similar to my favorite wig grip, but mine has the lace along the hairline part of it. So I'll wear that today. I'll see what they're talking about. What else? What else? What else? What else? They sent me some ignorant lashes. These are the real ignorant kind. Okay, these are the Nuck If You Buck lashes. Okay, you need at least one pair of Nuck If You Buck. Let's look at this wig because I'm ready to slay it and fillet it. Let's see. Now, this is a 5x5 curly wig, and I love 5x5 closures, y'all. Ooh, this is soft. Ooh, soft. Yes. First impression.
Super soft.
And it's giving me vacation. If you're going somewhere to be ignorant with your boo, this is it right here. If y'all going to somebody's island with some sand, and drinks with the little umbrella thing in there and the clear water, you might want to get your hands on this. This is giving me real vacation ignorant. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, I like this. This is beautiful. This is 24 inches. Ooh. Yeah, we can real ignorant. This is the HD lace, you guys. And again, this is a 5x5 closure. So there's 5 inches of lace going across, 5 inches going back. So you can get you a nice long part with that, but you still don't have to do all kind of ear to ear melting. So it's a lot quicker to apply than a frontal, a lot less mess. And y'all, I don't do mess. So bam, you already know what it is. You think it's a game, it's not. So I think this is gonna look really good. The hairline is not super plucked, y'all. It's like straight across and it's pretty dense. It's not super thick, but it's just kind of there. The hairline, it could be plucked more. It could be plucked more, y'all. But if that bothers you, you can always go in. That's the beauty about having a 5x5 closure. It's not that much to pluck. So if you are looking at it like,
ooh, no, it's not plucked enough,
go ahead and pluck it some more. I'm actually going to do that. Make it a little less straight across and also a little less dense. I'm going to thin that out in the front a little bit. This is the holiday season, you guys, so a lot of stuff is selling. If you have someone in mind you think would love this wig, these wigs make really, really nice gifts. I want to show you something else because Nadula also has something. I'm not going to put this one on today, but they sent me another product just to show you guys. They have these new V-part wigs. You guys have probably seen them everywhere. I want to show you guys the construction of their V-part wig, so that way if you decide to purchase it, you'll know exactly what you're purchasing, what their V-part wig is, what it looks like. This is the same texture as the one that I just showed you. Very pretty. Y'all, their hair is very soft. Their curls are beautiful. And that is one thing that is the same out of both these wigs. Your part may look a little short. The parting space is not as long. It's not as far back as I probably would like to see it. So you can get that long part. The purpose of this is to make these look a little bit more seamless. I will say that the reviews that I've seen, most of them say that these look better with a little bit of leave out. So if you do decide to go this route, that seems to be the consensus, that it looks better with the leave out. So if you're okay with leaving some of your hair out to kind of get it to blend with this might be another option for you. So I did want to show you this because they do have this as an option. You've probably seen a lot of reviews. So I'm actually going to be using I'm not going to install this one because I don't want to leave any leave out. But I am going to install the HD 5x5 closure wig. What work you gotta do? Did you find them? Y'all, it's almost like I'm not even working. So I just wanted to mention that just so that you know that that option is there as well. I'm really excited to try this HD lace closure wig. So I'm just going to jump on it. But y'all let me know if you have questions. Again, these make great gifts. I'm just saying. I'm going to plop it on. I'm going to see if we can get this HD lace looking like butter.
chocolate butter.
And then, yeah. We're going to see. We're going to see. Okay, y'all. Hold on.
Give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop.